control and brush on your photo, it'll do a smart selection of the object you are brushing over. Click J to see the highlight clippings or the shadow clippings to see where you're losing detail. Hold Alt and drag the Develop panel to the left to get the exact detail you want in your photos and your sliders. The 5x4 crop will take up the most space in Instagram when you post, so go to the crop and do 5x4 like so, and then press done and you'll get a photo like this. Press O to change the crop setting like so. Then hold Shift O to change the orientation of the crop. Press Y or Shift Y to get a side-by-side view. Your Develop panel can get pretty messy at times, so go up to the top, right click and select Solo Mode, and this will collapse all the other windows when you're editing in one window.